Social media is here to stay. It's right at our fingertips and it's the first thing we do every single day. Businesses are really getting involved because this is a great place to touch point with their customers, and that's why at Poorly Creative we're really passionate to make sure our businesses are portrayed correctly on social media. So here at Poorly Creative, if you come to us needing some help with social media, we'll make sure we pick the right platforms for you to make sure you are not wasting your time and spending all your efforts in areas that might not be right for you. We'll be able to pull the content calendar together, we'll be able to help schedule the posts, and we'll help monitor the customer engagement online too. Social media is just one part of the jigsaw to your full marketing plan. Here at Poorly Creative, we helped one client launch a brand new brand through social following by creating over 1,000 followers within 3 months. Based on market research, we also chose for our client Pinterest, Instagram and Twitter, as this is where their target audience are. Are you ready for a conversation about social media marketing? If you are, give us a call and make sure you've signed up to our construction marketing blog.